2 fish already.
He has. I did see one of them.
Yeah.
The other one, allegedly.
Oh,
Yeah, at least.
yeah, anyway, so they're out here, we're going to catch some today, and I predict,
Good, look at this. It is so noisy here. We've had Corellas, we've had guys mowing the lawn, we've had a Rolling Stones jam session up at one of the shacks, and now we got Doug's bite alarm. Well, there's been a few fish, but there's been no size to them.
except the first one that you didn't film, Frank.
Yeah, one I didn't see, the one that he told me about. I reckon he made it up. They're all very much the same, aren't they?
Except the first one.
Yeah, so you keep saying, but
Yeah,
I didn't see it, so what can I say? I was doing something really important.
Would I lie? You don't have to answer that.
You come from the same country as Lee Mack, so I think that answers itself.
Fish of the day.
Really?
Yeah. Angler of the day. Fish of the day.
I can think of a couple more titles, but they're NFP.
We are bagging up now. There's no stopping.
Well, yeah. I just agree with Doug most of the time because it's easier than having an argument. Oh, okay. So Doug's float has come off. It's just at the end of the willows there, and he's going to do a Olympic sprint out to get it. Right, children, look away now. Look away now, children. He's got one fish on each line.
Oh my God. Do you want to swap rods?
No. I told you before Doug was the minnow king. I cannot believe how many I dropped. Hooked them up, got them to the bank, and they threw the hook.
I think that's poor angling actually, Frank.
I thought you would say that, Doug, yeah.
But there's always a sting in the tail, isn't there, Frank?
Yeah, there is. In this case, in my hand. I just got stung by a European wasp.
Can you explain?
He was in the shrimp net, and I thought I'll put him out of my misery. And I thought I'd got him, and then I went to look in the net, and I'm holding the net by the corners, and guess what? He was in the corner by my hand, and he whacked me. I got stung.
Well.
Oh well. Never mind. He paid the ultimate sacrifice. Made the ultimate sacrifice.
He had a soul.
He did, yeah.
He had a soul.
I saw it go.
Foul hook.
It takes skill to get him anywhere except in the mouth, Doug. Sigh.
I can't see it, Frank.
No, I bet you can't.
I can't see it from here.
Well, hang on, I'll bring it a bit closer.
Oh yeah, that's
Can you see it now? Nothing worse than flocking Corellas.
If I push it out like that, Frank, that's huge, isn't it?
No, not really. No, it's well, compared to what we were catching today, it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Well done.
Yeah.
See if you can catch a kayak.
Okay. It wasn't a full moon, Frank. Well, I'd have known that when you got in the car anyway.
Yeah, possibly. Hairy hands. So we can't blame the conditions. They just, I think maybe we blame those guys up there for making all that racket.
Yeah.
Them and the Corellas.
Yeah.
Morning, Doug.
Is it morning? I reckon it's still night time, Frank.
It's still pretty dark. I had to get up before I went to bed.
When I got out of the car, I didn't know who was approaching me.
Hopefully you won't draw them all away from me with the ground bait like you did at the last trip.
No, because I'm sitting on the other side here.
Yeah, that's quite deliberate.
There's no current, and I felt awful. I haven't slept since. I haven't. It's true. You think I'm joking, don't you?
I know you're joking. Another roach, Doug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am actually a roach specialist today.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Little cat for Doug. Clearly they're breeding, Doug.
They certainly are, Frank.
Last time we were here we got them even smaller than that.
We did. Try not to get spiked. Ooh, you little bus got me. You got me. That's going to hurt in a minute. Oh, shit.
See, I'm glad it was your finger and not mine, Doug.
Ah. Yeah, he got me. It went right in.
Ouch.
Mm. There, look.
Oh yeah. Ooh, nothing worse than catfish spines. Well, there probably is, but catfish spines are bad enough. You've got to rub it with the slime off the belly, they say in the old school.
You got slime on your belly?
Not my belly, the fish off the fish's belly. God, jeez.
Oh, that's hurting already.
How's your spiked finger, Doug?
Do you have to film me?
Yeah, do.
I'm hurting actually.
I know.
It's really aching.
Is it?
Yeah, it's aching. It went right in, I could feel it, and when I pulled it out, it's like I'd taken the thorn out. So for all you people out there, especially Samantha, if you catch a catfish, mind how you pick it up.
Yes, indeedy.
Especially the little ones.
Yep, they're spiky little buggers.
That is aching. My whole hand's aching.
Well, the only thing I can say, Doug, is I'm glad it wasn't me.
Thanks, Frank, for those lovely words.
Finally got a bite on the feeder. Tank's very big. And that's another little cat.
I'm not touching that, Frank.
No. Would you like to show you how to do it, Doug?
Yeah, actually.
Okay. I did offer to do surgery with my knife, but Doug declined, understandably.
Well, it's my bird finger, Frank. That's
your bird finger.
Yeah, that's what you're going to cut up. I'd laugh if that stung you.
Like that, Doug, see?
All your insolence. Yeah, I know, but my one was so small, I couldn't get my big clod-offy fingers around it.
So there we go, another little caddy, and I didn't get stung. That's a joke, folks. They're not really roach, they're just little carp. We just wish they were roach.
They are roach, Frank.
Oh, if you say so.
Well, it keeps me happy. If they were just little carp, I'd say, oh, bugger this. But every time I catch a roach like that, I go, wow, it's a little roach, isn't that lovely?
Foss, Doug, foss.
Oh, I've lost it.
What?
Ah, shit.
That's very unfortunate. That was a bigger fish. Anything to say, Doug?
No.
Disappointing. I was hoping for a
Bugger.
Ah, okay. That's
No,
not.
oh, wow, look at that.
It is a very nice catfish.
Well, that is my biggest one out here, Frank.
Yes, I would say. Oh, come on.
Get it in.
Yes.
The actor to the bishop.
Can't have that in the video, Doug.
We got no room here. Don't spike yourself,
won't
Frank,
spike
otherwise I'll laugh.
Yeah, I bet you will. What you got there, Doug?
Nothing, Frank.
Come on, come on. Let's
No,
see it. Come on,
there's
come on.
nothing there.
Let's see it. Oh my God. Is that mosquito fish?
Yeah, it's big ones, a record breaker. It's a record breaking mosquito fish.
It's a very small carp. It's not even a roach. Bit of bread for you, Gertrude?
She likes you, Frank.
She does. They all got souls, Doug.
It's not many water birds that do like you, actually, but Gertrude's got a special affinity with you.
Doug just lost another fish. Would you like to say anything to the viewers, Doug?
I don't think that's very nice to
Focus on someone's grief like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because in a minute I'm going to catch a big one, Frank, and I'm going to go, something like that anyway.
Yeah. Summary. Doug just came unattached to a second quite good fish. Yeah. He said some naughty words, but I don't have to bleep him out because I didn't have the camera on.
No. Right.
Now Doug, just in case no one's ever told you, you need to be very careful with these. They can spike you and you can suffer for up to 2 hours.
Yes.
Severe pain and discomfort and make you real grumpy. Did that happen to you today, Doug?
Yes, Frank. And the little buggers, their spines are so sharp.
Yes.
I tell you.
So that's catfish number 5.
Is it?
And this one here, I reckon they're 2-year-old.
Right.
Yeah. So nice job. They have done well in here. And that one you got earlier, that bigger one, that was a beauty.
It was. Right.
See you later, Ron.
Yeah. That's what Robbie says, isn't it?
I don't know, does he?
See you later, thanks for coming.
Oh, see you later, Ron. In the water, Doug.
It stuck to me. I'm really bloody...
Doug's having a...
I'm very wary of him this morning now.
He's back. Poor little fella.
That's the luckiest fish I've ever caught, Frank.
Well, it's not that lucky because it's still on the end of your line. Oh my God. You know what, I'm so glad you're catching them because that means I'm not.
It's another roach. But the line broke.
Yes, it's a long story. It got caught under the rod rest. When you struck, the line broke. The fish got hooked, but it was so small you were able to tie the lines together and
land the fish, Frank.
Still land the fish, but then
yeah.
I guess it's not that hard to get minnows in, is it?
I don't know, you can answer that.
No, I can't because I haven't caught any minnows.
Superbly netted by the gilly.
Yeah, well,
that's as big as that one.
Just about might even be the same one, Doug. Who knows?
Nah, it hasn't got a smirk on its face saying I stung him.
It was a smaller one that stung you, don't tell fibs.
Nice cat. You wouldn't even bother filming this, would you, Frank?
Probably not, Doug.
Are you filming it or not?
No.
Aren't you? Okay
No.
then. I think you're a pretty mean old bugger then.
Oh, look at that.
Hooked. Oh, how cruel.
How unlucky.
How cruel.
Oh.
Oh, poor thing.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
Well, I've been having a few nibbles and that's what happened when I pull the line up.
Be careful of them spikes.
Yeah, I'm being careful.
I'd laugh now, but
No,
after
you
all the
wouldn't.
sympathy I've had off you.
No, you wouldn't, because you're not that sort of person.
I could be, just temporarily.
Well, good morning, Doug.
Morning, Frank.
We're down here at the not so secret spot.
Yeah, which we're not going to tell anybody about.
No. But I'm sure all the Sherlock Holmes viewers will be working out where it is.
Doug. On their Google Earth and go, oh,
yeah. I gotta say,
what?
I'm just looking at your net. Are you expecting Moby Dick?
Where'd you get that?
Next to your chair.
Not mine, is it?
Yeah, it certainly is.
Jesus.
I was going to say, it's a bit of overkill for the minnows you've been catching lately.
That's right.
Even the roach.
Yeah, well, this is expectation for today, Frank.
Okay.
Yes, that is
very big.
That is a whopper.
It is.
I actually misordered.
Oh, okay.
All the way from England, cost me a fortune. Misordered. So if there's anybody out there wants to buy a couple, I've got them for sale.
We got more than one.
Yeah, I've got two. What an idiot.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, that's a bit of a big net, but
yeah,
this place is full of big fish, so that might come in handy.
I'll tell you what, it's a good job you bought that big net.
Yeah. You might just manage it.
I think you got it covered.
Yeah.
I think, Doug, instead of the Minnow King, you may have actually upgraded to the Yabby King. That's 2 today.
And aren't they nice?
Well,
they're big yabbies though.
Yeah. Robbie would be proud of that, he'd be eating it.
Yeah, look at that.
I can catch them too, Doug. Bloody noisy garbage truck. Right, so Doug and I are just saying that we're just going to have to treat this trip as a came down and had a nice morning by the water, because apart from a few yabbies we've caught next to nothing, and Doug's blaming me.
Yeah.
Which I think is pretty harsh, because I just came to keep him company.
What happened with your last yabby, Frank? Can you tell us?
I'll put it back.
Yeah, what did it do? Just part of it?
It said thank you.
Yeah. What about you?
What about my finger, Doug? Doug is on a fishing expedition of a different type,
Yeah.
and I'm just not going to give him the satisfaction.
Well,
so,
hold on a minute. Don't turn it off.
Do I have to?
No, don't turn it off. Last week you gave me a stick about being stung by a catfish.
Yep.
And you laughed at me.
Because you carried on like a...
Princess?
Well, you can't say that these days, but yeah.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
yeah. And you got retribution today. And I had
Okay,
nothing to do.
okay. Look, I was brought up honest. I cannot tell a lie. So basically what happened was I went to take the yabby off the line to show everybody, and it latched onto my finger, and I made some rude comments and threw it back. Unfortunately, the claw that was attached to my finger came off, so he's now a one-armed bandit. Yeah. Frank's gone for a little walk down the dirt path to see if he can find another little fishing spot for another time. So, as his two rods are out of the water, he's caught 3 fish and I've only caught none. I've snuck my float into his swim. That's a bit naughty, isn't it? But there you go. It's out there, right in the middle of the screen now. There's my float. See what happens. If I catch one, I'll be very happy. I'm not sure who's the better looking.
Frank, how are you getting home? See that car?
Yeah.
That ain't yours.
I'll be tied to it.